Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving into the fascinating world of exploring R in bioinformatics. Now you might be wondering, why should I care about explore R in bioinformatics? Well, my friend, let me tell you, this is one of the most crucial aspects of modern research and data analysis in the biological science. So buckle up and get ready to have your mind blown. If you haven't already subscribed my channel, I encourage you to do so for the most up-to-date videos and the solution related to the bioinformatics. In the preceding video, we covered introduction to variables in R. Now in this video, we delve into discussing functions in R. For illustrations, we consider a generic function denoted as f. arg signifies argument. arg1, arg2, arg3 and so on, allowing for multiple elements. Okay. Moving forward, we define the functions with more explicitly with f as the function name and argument 1, argument 2 representing the various conditions for the function to access. Okay, so let's take an example. We make a variable which is named as a1, okay, and we use function functiun function use function x comma y comma z. Okay, now we can use the curly bracket c and use parenthesis and write an equation, whatever equation you want to write you can. Okay, -1. Okay, so this function name xyz is designed to perform a specific task. We have defined our function with names xyz, and you can use indentation to indicate that this function is on the next line. While our indentation is more flexible, it is essential to note that in languages like Python, indentation plays a crucial role. Moving forward, the function is set to execute the operations x, y, z utilizing the arguments provided, where x undergoes an addition of 2 and y undergoes an addition of 9 and z undergoes an subtraction for 1. Now we write a1 with the parenthesis to call our function 2 comma 4 comma 3 for xyz, any value you can put. Okay, now we can run this code. So we can see the 2 add with 2 and the 4 add with 9 and 3 add with 1. So there are some built-in functions are also present in there, like exp exponential 3. So you can see the value of exponential is 3 is 20.08. You can also write any value you can write. Okay, so same with the 10. Another function is 10 2 10 10 6. So you can check, or you can also use log 2 log 13, any value you can check. So there are some predefined functions. As you can see, an example of this exponent function for a for instance, if we can calculate like exponential of 3, we can see the result of the exponential of 3 is 20.08. And same with go with the tangent and logarithmic. But if you want to exploring their documentations for these functions, you can use the single this and question mark and write log and then parenthesis and press enter. On the right hand side you can see the documentation for this log, where you can see the log 1p x computes with the log 1 plus 6. So with the help of this documentations you can use the functions, and for the broader search and documentation you can use double question mark and then press enter. So you can see the search result. Okay, so here you can take any help from this. You can click anywhere and you will find the result. Okay, let's perform one more log operation. Okay, so log parenthesis x is equal to 6 and uh, base is equal to 2. Okay, so we will use log function and treat it as a function by assigning the value of x to 6, and make sure to be cautious about the case sensitive in R. Okay, in this case we will calculate the logarithmic to the base 2 of 6, resulting in approximately resulting is like 2.58. Okay, so it's worth nothing if you don't unnecessarily have to explicitly define all the function arguments. For instance, we will be using log functions. If you do not specify the base, it assume a natural logarithmic. Okay, so like you can also running with this log 2 comma sorry what we are doing, x is equal to 6 and base is equal to 2. So you can see should be the yield with the so you can see the yield the same result as specifying the base separately. Okay, so in our upcoming video we will discuss about data structure. Additionally, in future playlist we will provide a practical demonstration of working with bioinformatics in R. If you haven't already subscribed my channel, I encourage you to do so for the most up-to-date videos and solutions related to bioinformatics. Thank you and see you in the next video.